them youth here before, and people might think me I hate on them and this and that. Now, a youth contact me and tell me, say, boy, Prince, good Prince, him and raw, but at the same time, I never believe, because it seems like Prince get himself caught up in some stuff and him end up liking it. And when I talk about the Batman business, the man them turn professional, dog.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Now, my intel contact me and said, no, Countryman, people them a try to trick you. But me know more is a trick, because like I said, it seems like this youth a Prince get caught up in a something and him like it. Now, I want to help me do some investigative journalism. I have to be real with Uno. Now, I have a video with Prince and the boy Akeem. Prince step on top and fuck Akeem. Now, we want to try match up certain things in the room, the color of the wall, the type of floor, because the man head turn a certain way, but we still can match a certain part of his body. You understand? Now, if you want to see the video, you can hit me up on WhatsApp or link in the WhatsApp group, because I dropped the video in the group, but I'll drop it again after I release this video. So we want to help me go on a odyssey to try prove if this is Prince, which I am gonna say it's Prince. You understand? But we can solve this together. Let's go. Now, that's the picture right there. And I don't know how YouTube is gonna take this, but we can't show too much right. But look at that picture. Prince is on top, Akeem is at the bottom. Now, let's go into the forensic and try and identify certain things. So I'm going to show you another picture. Now, let's examine the floor. And this is the bedroom with the man them there. As you can see, see my youth foot there. Akeem, that's his foot. Now, look at the slippers. It's a flip-flop, and it is a Nike. Now, I did track down somebody in St. Lucia who sell in the marketplace, and him have them kind of sandals here. So confirm that yes, the vendor in Castries carry these kind of sandals. Now let's get back to the picture. So look, now we are look at the floor and the bed, but in another picture here, we want to take a look on the floor because I want to show another picture. Look at this picture. Now look right there. That is Prince. And we want to take a look at the floor and take a look at the walls. But take a good look at the floor. I'm going to bring it close up. Check this out. Now we have a better look at the floor. So look at this floor, and we have a look on the next floor where the man them a fuck. Now put them side by side. Now look at the floor. You see the floor with the bedroom on the left, and the floor with Prince a stand up on the right. To me, it look like it's the same house. Now we are going to dig a little deeper because we want to match another forensic observation. Okay, in this picture right here, we are going to focus on the color of the wall. If you all notice, there is a black mark out. It look like I want woman. I draw my mark out, but no, it's the two forgot them on the bed. The reason why I erase them, I don't want you to you know, block the video or whatnot. But if you look at the back, that's the color of the wall right there, and that's a peach looking color wall. We already look at the floor. Now let me show you another picture with the boy Prince. I'm wanting to take a look at the wall, and then I'm gonna put it side by side. Let's go. That's Prince right there. And if you look at the door, sorry, and you look at the wall, you can see that the door and the wall, especially the wall, is the same color like the wall in the room where the man them a do nastiness, yo. Yeah, when you look at the wall, the color of the wall, it is a striking peach color, and it is the same color in that house where Prince is right now. Let me put them together. So I put them together there. That's the wall. I mark out Prince because I never want to blur it. I mark out Prince and Akeem. But you can see the wall, and if you're looking at the house to the right, you see the door, and then if you look behind him, you can see the color of the wall. And look at them two color. That's the same house. Now, as well as when you look at the tile on the ground, it's the same tile. Now, I have one more picture for show now, and this is the picture with him head. Now, me hear say him have 6 fingers on one hand, and me not like, me watch a video and me can't get to see him on them properly because the man them a do so much action, and I watched the video and I am traumatized. And then what really make me even more traumatized, it's the music with the man them put in the video. The music what they put into the video about pussy. I'm gonna sing about like, yeah, when I get pussy and whatnot, and yet the one them off and I need some Batman thing, dog. Very, very upsetting. No, I decide to let you guys listen to the song where the man them a play in the video while them a fuck Batty, yo. Yo, listen to it. Yo, the way how the man them use the song in them raunchy sex, whatever orgy them a have, it disrespect women. With that said, let me continue. Let's go. Now that's Prince. And look behind you, you still see the peach. I'm wanting to look on him ear. You understand? And what me I go do now, me I go put in backward thing when him in the room. I ride the man ass and put the front page picture here. And only can help me cipher it. As a matter of fact, I should have said decipher or decode. Look at the picture right there. If you look, you see the Bulla man, the back of him head. And if you look to the right, you see Bulla man Prince. You see the hairstyle. Like I said, me blow up the picture on the left. But when you look at it and look at the video, you can definitely see it's the right hairstyle. Actually, the hairstyle match Prince's hairstyle right here. So, I'm saying the man in the video is definitely Prince. Listen, one of the nastiest things I ever see in my life. I woke up this morning and yo, the shit still a flashing on my face. Listen, I can't wait to finish this fucking video. Anyway, now this is Akeem. This is the girl. Him there on the bottom and my youth Prince up on the top. Remember in the previous video I did, I said Akeem, you would compare him to what you call a broke hoe. And him is a broke Batman. As a matter of fact, all of them. But for some reason, him play the girl role. And from you look on him, look on the shots there, whatever boxer with the man in the dog. The boxer actually they down in the front, like, you know the woman them will wear, I forgot what them call them, blood clot pants there. And then kinda underwear where woman wear, will show them belly skin. At that, the man have on dog and look on the approach, look. And somebody take the picture. Now, also, if you look in the upper background of this picture right here, you can see the color of the house, which is the peach color, right throughout this whole thing. So, my surmise is This is proof that the boy Prince are one of the biggest batty man. Him and a boy Akeem in a Lucia in a Castle, and it is a fucking shame, because the same thing what I talk about, the fucking rich boy them and the man them have money, them come down in a ghetto and broke out the man them like sore dog, like a disease, and then the man them pick it up, cause them like it, and that's how me see it. Listen, more videos coming in up, and if anybody wanna see that video, link me. I got the video, and like I'm saying, it's very graphic. I know enough man wanna watch it. Enough of my friends them don't want to watch it. But me did have to watch it, because me need to make the video, and there is no way me can speak about something and don't watch it. Me nah like it make my hood shrink, dog. When me see it, very disturbing. That's all we can say. And I hope this video shame them two Lucia dog to stop fuck batty. Listen, my name is Countryman, y'all.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.